I'm Cale, this is Switchblade 36, Zombie Hog Wheels and Bear Trucks.
I'm Seth. Pass it.
Normally we would be doing slides and stuff right now, but it's kind of dark out in Saskatoon, so I have to do this shit in the garage. Okay, this is a trick that I made up. Comment if you want to name it, because I do not know what the fuck to call it. I'm not too good at it, so be nice. Okay, try that again. Another bad attempt. I'm sorry. One more shot. Sorry, right now it kind of looks like I'm really shitty longboard, bro. Whatever. Here we go.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Okay, Seth, this is a trick I made up. Yeah. This is another trick. How about this?
Wait, hold on. Okay, Switchblade 36, probably recommended for people 4 short heights to around 5'4".